Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we got lucky. I had enough time. We're going to do another video. I'm going to do one this time of Santa Claus. This is going to be some decor that we actually sell at the trade show at the end of the week, and it's going to be pretty short and simple. It's not a real complicated one. It's a vcarve, and you're going to find that even my painting, I'm not going to get real carried away with the painting, although there's more I could do with it. From the graphic I've chosen, I'm going to paint it just like they had the graphic painted, and it should come out looking really cool and just real crisp. My hopes anyway. Another thing, I got several comments about the last one I did because the wood fuzzed up so bad, and wind's really blowing and I'm hearing noises at the door. Anyway, it fuzzed up real bad, and they mentioned I should be using a down cut end mill. Well, I'm working on that. Trying to get one here. Haven't got it here yet, and so I'm going to be doing the same kind of cut, but still going to use an upcut end mill, so it probably will fuzz up a little bit again. Hopefully it'll clean up a little better than the last one. So that's what we're going to do today. A Santa Claus cutout. Here we go. So that was it. I thought this one came out very sharp. You notice I didn't put any kind of finish over the top of it yet. Probably what I'm going to end up doing is just a light coat of poly. I'm going to talk with the expert, being my wife, over what she'd like done, because I really don't know that stain's going to make this stand out any better. I really like the light color and the red contrast. You see my dilemma. What I would like to have done is painted the outlines black, this red, this white, the mustache white. Painting it would have been a nightmare. I mean, I don't know how. I couldn't have done it with an airbrush. I could have done this part with an airbrush with black and then had to go in with paintbrush. Not my strong suit. Not my strong suit. So that was Santa. I thought it came out pretty cool. So next thing on the agenda here, Friday. I am not promising anything for Friday. It is Monday right now. I know I'm running late, but I'll have this video out this evening. And we got to set up for a trade show Thursday, and it's a 2-day trade show. So that leaves me today, tomorrow, and part of Wednesday to get some stuff made for the trade show. Not going to promise I'm going to have a video up by Friday. I'll try. If I get something that I'm thinking, oh yeah, that'd make a good video, I'll do it. But a lot of the stuff's duplicates, like I've said before, so no promises there. So guys, that's going to be about it for this one. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.